Hello, this is my song, Lightning Strike. It is written entirely by me, and I really love this song, so I want to share it with all of you. So, here is Lightning Strike. I need, I glance, I breathe, feel so naive. Then you look at me and I cave under. I get struck by the thunder. You can see it in my eyes. Baby, you're my lightning strike. Ooh, you want, you need, you glance, you breathe, feel so naive. Then I look at you and you cave under. You get struck by the thunder. I can see it in your eyes. Apparently I'm your lightning strike.